Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find and copy your BNB BEP20 wallet address on Binance. Guys, it's very easy and I'm going to be showing you guys two methods on how you can do it. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video helps you out, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow this channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now for the first method, what you have to do first of all is to tap on home. You can see that home is selected. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. This is the home page of the Binance app. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see add funds. You can see there at the top, add funds, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see deposit crypto. You can see down there, that's the last option. So let me tap on it. So guys, this is where you need to select the coin or crypto that you want to copy its address. So what you have to do is to scroll down to look for it, but in case you can't find it, then you can use the search icon at the top. You can see the search icon, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So what I'll search for now is BNB. So let me go ahead now to type it in, BNB. Let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see the search result. We have two results here. The one you have to go for is the first one, which is written BNB. You can see it there. Make sure you look closely so you don't make any mistake. You can see it there, BNB. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, choose network. So guys, this is the most important step. You have to choose the right network, and the right network we have to go for is BEP20. I can see there, that's the first option. You can see there written BNB Smart Chain in brackets BEP20. So guys, that's the right network. Make sure you tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on it to select it. So let me do that right away. So guys, now this is where you're going to be able to copy your BNB BEP20 wallet address. So guys, now you can see the address there being encircled. You can see it there. For you to actually copy it, what you have to do now is to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side, just next to the wallet address. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see wallet address copied. So guys, now let me show you guys the second method. Let me go back now to the home page. Let me do this real quick. So guys, now you can see we are back to the home page. So for the second method, what you have to do now is to tap on the wallet icon. You can see where it is written wallet down there at the bottom right corner. So let me tap on it. So the next step now to take is to tap on where you can see deposit. You can see it there on the left hand side. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see we are back to the place where we have to select the coin or the crypto that want to copy its address. So guys, now what you have to do now is to search for what? BNB. So let me tap on the search icon now to do that real quick. Then what I'll do next now is to type in BNB like I did before. Then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see the search results. So let me select BNB, which is the first option. Let me tap on it real quick. Then what you have to do right away now is to choose the right network, of which the first option is the right one. You can see there BNB Smart Chain BEP20. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see we are back here. This is the final place where you have to copy your BNB BEP20 wallet address, and you can see there the arrow is pointing at it. What you have to do is to tap on the copy icon, then you're good to go. So guys, now let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see wallet address copied. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can copy your BNB BEP20 wallet address on Binance, and I believe this was helpful to you. So do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in your next upload. Bye bye. Peace.